Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Maryamkapama, and this is a natural hair channel, guys. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for tuning in. And if you are my regular returning supporter, a day one subscriber, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in, and be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I do post and upload. If you are a regular my day one, be sure to smash the like button and let the YouTube know that you're getting values from my videos, guys. Today I prepared an amazing hair growth rinse. This hair rinse, you're going to use it at least twice a week in order to experience massive hair growth. If you're treating your hair twice in a month, be sure to include this in your hair regimen. It's going to help your hair grow out quicker, faster, because the ingredients that I'm going to incorporate here, they're potent and they're packed with a lot of incredible nutrients for your hair. You see them bouncing curls? They are packed with nutrients and they are ready to stay in that protective style for the next 2 weeks, guys. So I'm going to share with you the ingredients that I used in order to grow out your hair very fast. This rinse can be used before going in with the protective style, or you can use it as a refresher when you are having your protective style in, guys. I'm maryamkapama, natural hair superstar, and welcome to my channel. In my channel I use herbs and oils to help you guys grow out your hair. So I highly encourage you to subscribe with the notification bell so you get notified every time I do an upload. These are the amazing ingredients that are going to grow out your hair tremendously, guys. To begin with, we are going to need moringa powder. Moringa is filled with chlorophyll, guys, and it's packed with antioxidant properties which are responsible for nourishing your hair and also going to fight free radicals on your hair and scalp. Moringa has nutrients such as vitamin A, B, C, E, zinc, and a lot more, guys. It has wonderful benefit to your hair when it comes to reducing dandruff, moisturizing dry scalp, moisturizing your hair, softening your hair, and also promoting healthy hair growth, guys. Next, you're going to use this wonderful ingredient called coffee. Coffee is packed, guys. It has wonderful benefits, as you can read for yourself. Coffee is going to make your hair very thick, it's going to make your hair manageable, and it's also going to make your hair color way darker. So coffee is amazing for the hair, and you can use any type of coffee. It doesn't really matter, as long as it's coffee, it's okay. Next, you're going to be using cloves. I have done enough video. I can even create a whole playlist for cloves. Cloves is amazing for the hair, guys. It has a lot of properties. It's going to help your hair promote healthy hair growth, add shine to your hair, prevent premature graying, stops hair loss. It's going to help your hair lock in moisture and a lot more as well. Next, we're going to use these neem leaves, guys. Neem is potent, is a powerhouse, is packed with nutrients, as you can read for yourself. And if you have access to fresh neem leaf, I'm going to leave a video where you can make dry leaves. I've done this, I've made powder, and I'm going to leave it in the card, so be sure to check it. Neem is amazing, guys. It's going to minimize frizz, and it's going to seal your hair, and it's going to condition your scalp, hence proper hair growth. I'm going to use 1 cup of each ingredients, like the cloves, the coffee, and the moringa, guys. But for the neem leaf, I'm not going to measure because neem is having a lot of nutrients and I want to get all the benefits. So I'm going to take a handful of neem leaves to use to make this hair rinse. You can measure depending on your hair. If you have longer, thicker hair, you can use less or more, whatever you want to make, as long as just make the neem more, because is packed with benefit, guys. It's going to temporarily seal your hair follicles. It's going to minimize frizz. It's going to reduce head lice. Then the mix, I'm going to add them into boiling water, guys. Boiling water. So let this mixture boil in water for a good 20 minutes in order for the nutrients to go through the water. After it's boiled for 20 minutes, be sure to strain. It's very important that you strain your mixer properly. Here is the hair rinse, guys, ready to be used. Let it cool for some time so you don't get to burn your hair and scalp. But use it while it's still warm, because when you use it when it's warm, it's going to help your hair cuticles to open up, so the hair is going to soak in all the goodie that you're going to provide to it. My hair is looking dry, but believe me, it's not that dry. It's 2 days past my wash day. I was rocking a puff, and hence that's why you see it looking like that. Now it's time for me to go in with my protective style, but before I do that, I need to make sure my hair is highly moisturized, and the best way to go is to go in with a hair rinse, guys. Hair rinse is important. So as you already know, my hair is low porosity, so it's going to take time for it to soak in water. So patience. If you have a low porosity, just take your time with this process. Make sure you soak it in. So let me just give you some time for you to to enjoy this curl hair, the coils, the way they take time to soak in water. Be sure to smash the like button, guys, if you're getting value, because it will help me a lot. I repeat this because it really does make a difference, and it's free. Let me know if you're also going to try these hair rinse in the comment, and I'll so much appreciate, and I'll try to respond to as much as I can. Now you can tell my hair is saturated and it's good to go, but I'm going in with one more last rinse just to make sure no strand is left behind, guys. No strand left behind. The hair is looking moisturized. One last time, just to make sure we are Gucci. This tight cuticle need patience when you're dealing with them. It needs a lot of patience. Going in with my plastic bag and a heat cup just to make sure the hair soak in all the moisture, guys. When you have low porosity, adjusting heat to your treatments is vital. It's important, guys. It's a step you should really consider taking if you have tight cuticles. Stay in a steaming cup for 20 minutes and go in with a detangling leave-in conditioner. Comb your hair and go in for a protective style. You don't need a blow dryer with this because your hair will be super manageable because of the neem, guys. Your neem is going to leave your hair very soft and super moisturized, and with the neem you're going to reduce all the effect of irritation from the scalp and itchiness or even head lice, because it's going to condition your scalp, guys. So This tea is potent, it's packed, and if you're enjoying this, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social media accounts. They are down in the description box, and I'm going to leave you with a video on the screen so you get to watch, and I'll see you in that video. I can only say I'll see you in my next video.